Hey everyone, welcome back to the PC Pal, your tech buddy for simple and smart PC solutions. Got a virus but don't want to pay for expensive antivirus tools? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to remove most viruses completely free using trusted tools and built-in features. Let's dive in. First, how do you know you might have a virus? Here are some common symptoms. Your PC is much slower than usual. Pop-ups or weird ads appear out of nowhere. Programs open or close on their own. You're redirected to strange websites. You get warnings from Windows Security. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. First, run a full scan using Windows Security. And yes, it's already built into your PC. Open Start menu, type Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. Scan options full scan. Click full scan. It might take an hour or more, but it checks every file on your system. Keep your system plugged in and don't interrupt the scan. Next, use Malwarebytes. Windows Security is solid, but to be extra safe, use Malwarebytes free. It's one of the best tools for removing malware, adware, and junk programs. Run a threat scan. If it finds anything, quarantine it, then restart your PC. Next, remove suspicious programs. Remove any apps you don't recognize or didn't install. Open Control Panel or Settings. Go to the apps, scroll and uninstall anything suspicious. Look for strange names, toolbars, or apps you don't remember installing. When in doubt, Google the name before uninstalling. Next, clean up startup items. Malware often hides in startup programs. Here's how to check what runs when your PC boots. Right-click on Taskbar, go to the Task Manager and click the Startup tab. Disable anything you don't recognize or don't need running. This speeds up your system and stops bad programs from relaunching. Next, browser cleanup. Still getting weird ads or redirects in your browser? It might be a browser hijacker. Open Chrome or Edge, go to the settings and reset settings or remove extensions. Remove any suspicious extensions and reset your browser settings to default. That usually fixes it. Finally, System Restore. If things are still messy, try System Restore to go back to a time before the virus. Go to the Control panel, then Recovery and open System Restore. Choose a restore point before your PC started acting weird. It won't delete your files, just settings and apps. And that's it. You just cleaned your PC from viruses without spending a cent. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Pal for more practical PC help and repair tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.